students. Welcome back to Geography online session for 7th standard. Now, I will ask some questions from the previous session. Choose the correct answer. Dash is a depositions of river sediments along the foothills. Answer, alluvial fan. The Kutralam Falls is located across the Dash River, Chittar River. Fill in the blanks. The process of breaking and crumbling of rocks is Dash weathering. The place where the river joins a lake or sea is known as river mouth. Okay. Define erosion. Erosion is the wearing down of the landscape by different agents like water, wind, ice and sea waves. What is a plunge pool? Plunge pool is the hollow features at the base of the waterfall which is formed by cavitation. Okay, it is called a plunge pool. Okay. Today topic landforms part 2. Okay. First one, glacier. What is glacier? A large body of ice moving slowly down a slope of valley due to gravity is called a glacier. Okay, a large body of ice moving called a glacier. Simply say. Kinds of glaciers. Continental glaciers and mountain or valley glaciers. Continental glaciers. The glaciers covering vast areas of a continent with a thick ice sheets. Example, Antarctica and Greenland. Mountain or valley glacier is a stream of ice flowing along a valley. It usually follows former river courses and are bounded by steep sides. Example, the Himalaya and the Alps. Okay. Next one, CIRQUE. What is CIRQUE? CIRQUE is the glacially eroded rock basin with a steep side wall and a steep head wall surrounding on armchair shaped depressions. Okay, it's look like a armchair type, so it's called a CIRQUE. Example, Scotland, core in Germany. See, core in Germany, CIRQUE. Second one, core in Scotland. It is located United Kingdom. Okay, TARN lake. As the ice melt, they get filled up the CIRQUE with water and become a beautiful lakes in the mountains called as TARN lake. Okay, they get filled up the CIRQUE with water. It's called the TARN lake. Okay, ARETES. When two adjacent CIRQUEs erode towards each other, the previously rounded landscape is transformed into narrow, rocky, steep-sided ridge called the ARETES. Okay. ARETES. This is another one, glacial landforms. Okay, ARETES. Next one, U-shaped valley. U-shaped valley is found beneath the glaciers which is deepened and widened by the lateral and vertical erosion. The material carried by the glacier, such as rocks, big and small, sand and silt, get deposited. Okay, the deposited fill the beneath the glacier. So, these deposits form a glacial moraines. Okay, the teapot filled with the deposition. So, look like a U-shaped, right? U-shaped valley like that formed. Wind. Next topic, wind. An active active agent of erosion and deposition the desert is wind. In desert, we can see rocks in the shape of mushroom called mushroom rocks. Wind erode lower sections of the rock more than the upper part. Basically, in the lower part, rock is a soft rocks, so easily eroded that. In the top, the hard rock. Okay, such rocks have narrow base and wider top. So look like a mushroom shape. That is called a mushroom rock. Okay. Next one, INSELBEG. An isolated residual hill standing like a pillar with rounded tops are called the INSELBEGs. Example, Kalahari Desert of South Africa. Okay, it looks like a pillar. Top part is a flatted. Okay, it's called a INSELBEG. INSELBEGs. Okay, bargons or barchans. Okay. When the wind blows, it lifts and transports sand from one place to another. Okay, when it stops blowing, the sand falls and gets deposited in low hill like a structures, like a small hill. These are called the sand dunes. Okay, the crescent shaped sand dunes are called the bargons. The crescent shaped sand dunes are called the bargons. Okay, sand hills. Simply saying sand hills, the bargons and sand dunes. LOESS. When the grains of sand are very fine and light, the wind can carry it over very long distance. Because very fine and light soil. So, wind can carry it over very long distance. When such sand is deposited in large area called a LOESS. Okay. Large deposits of LOESS found in China. Example, large deposit in LOESS found in China. Okay. Next one, coast. A part of land adjoining or near the sea is called the sea coast. The boundary of coast where land meets water is called the coastline. The coastal areas subject to change due to wave erosion and wave deposition. Okay, the erosion and the depositions of the sea waves give rise to coastal landforms. The coastal landforms by sea waves and depositions of waves. Okay, right. See the picture. Coast landforms. Ocean. See the word. Ocean, sand spit, delta, river, bay, coastal dunes, coastal lagoon, headland, cliff, sea or beach, sea stack, stump. Okay. Among them, we will learn important landforms. Okay. First one, sea cliff. The erosion and depositions of the sea waves give rise to coastal landforms. The sea cliffs are steep rock faces formed when the sea waves dash against them. Okay, the sea cliff, simply saying the sea cliff are faces from the sea. Okay, this is from sea, faces to sea. Okay, it is called the sea cliff. Sea caves. See the sea caves. Model example. Sea arches and stacks. Sea arches and stacks. As the cavities of sea caves become bigger and bigger, only the roof of the caves remains, forming sea arches. further erosion breaks the roof, only walls are left called as stacks. Sea arcs then formed as stacks. Okay. Beach and sandbar. The sea waves deposit sediments of sand and gravel along the shores, forming beaches. Okay. Sandbar is elongated deposition of sand or mud found in the sea, almost parallel in the coast. This is called a sandbar, also called beach and sandbar, related in same words. Okay. Then lagoon. Lagoon is to shallow stretch of water partially or completely separated from the sea. Example, Silica Lake in Odisha, Pulicat in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, Vemanad Lake in Kerala. The Silica Lake and Pulicat Lake are salty water. Vemanad Lake is a fresh water. It is located in Kerala. Okay, lagoon say look beautiful lake. Let us know. The longest beach in the world is the Miami Beach in South Florida in USA. The second longest beach in the world is the Marina Beach in Chennai. Okay. The second longest beach in the world is the Marina Beach in Chennai. Our Tamil Nadu. Okay. Thank you. Okay, students. We will meet next session. Pause the video and note it. Okay, my dear students. Be safe. Take care.